Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain how to delete your Bybit account with simple steps. If you've decided that you no longer need the account and want to close it permanently, follow these easy steps. First, open the Bybit app on your device. Once you're on the main page, tap the profile icon in the top corner of the screen. Then, tap the settings icon and go to the security section in the settings menu. In the security section, look for the account settings option and tap it. Then tap Deactivate an account. You will be directed to a page with information about deleting the account. From here, you'll need to confirm your desire to permanently delete the account. Make sure you've thought this through carefully, as you won't be able to recover your account after deletion. If you've decided to delete the account, you'll be asked to enter a verification code that will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the required code. After entering the code, press the Confirm button to complete the deletion process. Once confirmed, your Bybit account will be permanently deleted and you will receive a notification about it.